What up guys, my name is Francis and today we're going to show you how to fix your knife with a broken tip. So you guys need some abrasives. We got some options here and we're going to talk about these guys individually. So the first option that we have here is our Knifewear 220 stone. This guy's amazing. A really nice surface area to sharpen your knives if you've got repairs or chips or anything. But I really like this little section here. If you need to repair your tips, this is probably where you're going to do a lot of your work from. Next one we have here is our lobster stones. These guys are really nice, inexpensive options. And the great things about these guys is you don't have to worry too much about the actual surface area. So if you guys want to do some chips, repairs, anything that requires a lot of grinding, definitely get one of these guys. They just work magically. And the last one we got here is a nice diamond stone. Now diamond stones work really well. They last long, you flatten your stones with them. The braces on them are a lot larger. So typically you don't have to replace it as often and they grind much faster. These guys are highly recommended. So you guys got your tip knife. So you guys gotta figure out how you're going to do this. First thing you want to keep in mind is, do you want to do it from the very edge or do you want to grind it from the spine of the knife? So let's take the possibilities. The front of the knife is very thin, so if you grind it too much, it'll get thicker on the blade. We like to grind it from the spine of the knife, and that will lose a little bit of length, but that's okay. That's not going to change the performance of the actual knife itself. So the first thing you guys probably want to grab is a permanent marker. We're going to draw how much of the knife we're going to grind down. Alright, so at the very tip of the knife, right around this little area here, you can see where the tip ends. So we're just going to make a marker just right above it. And there you go. Super simple. So after you guys get your knife marked up, we're ready to set up our stones. So what we have here is our Knifewear 220 stone, and we're going to place it inside a stone holder. When we place it in the stone holder, automatically we're going to think to lay it flat onto it. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually prop it up and we're going to use the side of the stone, because that is the part we don't use often. And we're going to be grinding quite a bit. We're going to grab our stone, our knife, and we're going to work from the very spine of the knife. Right? Flip it upside down and just start to grind backwards. And eventually you will just grind away all that material. Alright, so we got a 220 stone and we're just going to sharpen the edge. I got a little tiny chip here, but we're going to repair that first. So we just completed our 4,000 grit finish, and now I just stropped our knives. The tip is fixed, the blade is sharpened, now the knife is good to go.